This is a cold start of a 1976 Honda 500T. As you can see, the engine is completely cold. So put the choke on, one down from full. It won't start if it's on full choke. Turn the fuel tap on. Sorry, don't see that. And turn the ignition on, neutral green, and push the starter button, and let's see what happens. You have to let these bikes warm up for at least 45 seconds for the oil to get to the top end. So I just took the choke off to warm it up a little faster.